Hey guys, Donaka Katherine here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my 6-step process for putting on my lashes. And to do that, I'll be using the Ardell Professional Faux Mink Wispies. Step 1. When you take your lashes, you have to make sure that you're very gentle with them. So I always recommend scratching at the tip and then lightly pulling them off. If you try to pull them directly off of the package, you risk damaging them. You could pull the lashes directly off the strip, which would be awful. Step 2, scissor time. Excuse my dog, he's a weirdo. When you go to cut your lashes, you have to make sure that you never cut at the front. That's where it's shorter and it gives the lash that look, so it wouldn't be good to cut there. Always make sure you cut at the end where it's already been largely fanned out and it won't look different. I always recommend measuring the lash on your eyes before you actually go to cut it, just to make sure you don't cut too much, because once you cut too much, it's very noticeable and you can't necessarily go back. You go to cut your lash, never cut into the lash, always cut at the band. Take your lash glue. I'm using the Duo Dark Tone Adhesive Lash Glue. Always just take it and don't apply too much, but go ahead and apply it directly across the tip. I like to dab mine on and sometimes slide it on just to make sure I get an even distribution of the glue. You always have to wait about 15 to 20 seconds for your lash glue to dry. Step 4. This is actually applying the lash. When I apply my lashes, I like to keep my eyes open and I like to aim to stick the center of the lash to the center of my lash line. So I always start there and then I find it easier to go ahead and push the corners in. If you stick the middle first, it gives you more room to slide the lash over if you've pushed it too far in or too far out. And you also get to focus on pressing the inside and outside corners down, which is very important because those are the parts of the lash that tend to lift the most. Get your lashes on, they should be flush to your lash line, and don't worry about any glue that hasn't dried or anything, because the glue will dry down black and we'll be able to clean up the lashes later. Step 5, we're gonna go ahead and I use black eyeshadow. You can use eyeliner, most people do, but I don't have the steadiest hand, so I like something that doesn't move as much. One problem with the eyeshadow though is that once you apply it, it is hard to remove, but that's nothing that a Q-tip covered in some makeup remover can't fix. So I just go directly on my lash line to try to blend the lash line into my lashes a little bit and give it a little bit more of a natural look. We've made it to the final step, step 6. I always take my mascara and apply it to my lashes. Make sure you are applying the mascara to your real lashes and the fake lashes. It will give the mascara the opportunity to volumize, or whatever your mascara does to the fake lashes, and it'll give your real lashes the chance to bond to the fake ones. So I always take one of my tweezer or lash applicators. I got this one from Kiss. You pretty much get a lash applicator in any starter lash kit, and it just makes it easier to press your lashes together so that you get even more of a natural look. Once you clamp your lashes together, you can no longer tell that you have the false lashes under your real ones because they'll both be together. It'll be seamless, flawless, easy, breezy, beautiful. And and now you have beautiful lashes. Make sure you like this video, comment underneath, and subscribe, of course, if you want to see more videos. Love y'all. Bye.